Let's trade it with Scott Bauer. He's the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Scott, even if you're not familiar with the product, because I know you're a big Peloton guy, I don't think you're hitting the smokes while you're on with Miss Amato in the morning. So what are you looking at here for the stock?
Wow, that's a great intro. Ken hit the nail on the head. Actually stole a lot of my thunder here when looking at the technical side of what's going on with Altria. This stock has not traded up to these levels right around that 52 area since December 19, January of 2020. That is major resistance. I'm looking at that, and I really, quite frankly, see it very difficult that it's going to break through. Now, support and resistance levels are just that, and they're always meant to be broken. So as Ken said, it could be broken. And if it does break through 52-ish or so to the upside, yes, not only was that technical resistance, but then that psychological type of trade comes in where buyers may come in. However, I really think it's too significant of an area of resistance. So what I'm doing, Oliver, is I'm buying some puts. I'm just buying some really cheap puts by themselves. I normally trade spreads, but these puts are cheap enough. I'm going all the way out to May expiration. Okay. So this is the May 21st expiration. I got 2 months here, and I'm buying the 47.5 strike puts. I can do those here for about 70 cents now with the stock, being up about $1 or so this morning. And I love that because with option trading like this, if the stock does continue to just kind of, let's say, grind higher, those puts are not going to move to the upside here. If the stock moves to the upside, these puts are really going to be unchanged. If the stock does really catapult out through, above 52, all right, I'll make some adjustments or I'll sell them out. But as Ken said, if that resistance holds, yes, this stock is probably headed back to the 43 or 44 area. So this to me is a fantastic reward to risk here if you like to, the technicals of what this stock is telling you.
Okay. I knew you were going to fade this thing, Scott. I didn't even look at the notes. I'm calling it the Peloton put here, okay? Fading the smokes.
There we go. And I will say one other thing, too. I love what they're doing on the cannabis side of things, but right. I think there's way better opportunity in other areas of cannabis, looking at maybe some of the ETFs, if you wanted to play just cannabis for the upside. To be bullish on Altria just because of the cannabis side, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's kind of a complicated way through it, right? I know your man Charlie Moon over there has got the list of pot stocks. I'm not sure if Altria is the highest ranking one according to what I've seen him tweet about the pot companies. So, okay, it's got some things going for it, but not enough to convince you. And just straight buying the put here, looking for a fade after this move in resistance.
Exactly, and I'm buying myself 2 months here. So again, if I need to make some adjustments, if I need to sell another option against my long put or even just close it out, I've got time on my side.
Okay. Classic trader move, selling it the other way if it goes against you, right?
You got it.
All right.
You got it.
Appreciate it, Scott. Good stuff here, Mr. Bauer, as always.
Thanks, Oliver.
Straightforward trade today, looking at some reversal around resistance on Altria shares.